Yo.
Good morning, guys. What's up? Today is I think it's March 8th, if I'm not wrong. And today we will be going to the beach with my two classmates from my school. I invited them to join me. They were happy to join me. Alright, guys, I gotta pack up.
Where the confetti, niggas get shot, like the camera ready. Like my shooters working Polaroid, niggas got Grammy energy. I got social on sober dogs running in this liquor. I be sipping on, living on my last bread. Chopper still sing like it's lab bread, the lab bread.
Packed up, ready. Say hi, Makai.
What's up?
Oh. Tell them about yourself. What do you do? What sport you do?
I do boxing. I go to the weight room. I lift weights. That's really all I do for right now.
Good. Better than most of the average kids.
Yeah, always doing a bunch of foolishness, like being in the streets and stuff.
He's like a hanger. All of his clothes, even in his belt.
Right there.
Motivation of the day. Okay, what's the motivation of the day?
That you don't need motivation today. You see the weather.
That's the motivation.
That's the motivation.
You hear that?
My motivation?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get back into fighting. That's really my motivation right now.
Okay, Santos.
Yes.
Be more productive. First of all, close the door, then send me the address.
What's up, everyone?
So I'm telling Afros, you got lucky?
How you do?
Huh?
You got lucky.
I got lucky?
Yeah, it's the weather.
Oh. Yeah, maybe I did get lucky. Afros? You said there will be three open?
And the one has doctor appointment.
That's for real?
Yes.
That's for real?
Yeah.
But I feel like ruins wooing me. Arrow holes that never close from Cupid on a shooting spree. Feeling stupid cause I know it ain't no you and me. But when you're trying to beat the odds up and trying to keep your nods up, and you know that you should know and let it go. But the fear of the unknown, hone another lover's phone sends you back into the zone. With no Tom Hanks to bring you home.
You're going on a boat trip?
Yeah.
Where's your picture?
I think it's gonna fall off when I'm running.
Climb up, run up. I will always stop there.
Why? Really?
Yeah.
I run.
I will be gassed
I
out.
run probably like 60% of my year, and that's
It's a nice place to run. I like it.
What about me? You ran with me last time.
No, but we ran like not around the full thing.
Oh yeah.
We ran only a little bit.
Okay, let's go. It's getting cold. But I have nothing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Type of money, everybody acting like they know you.
It's not cold.
Uptown, New York City, bitch. Some Spanish girls love me like I'm out with Buddha. Tell Uncle Luke I'm
guess
out
not.
Miami too.
Motivate yourself. Your own motivation.
Wrist playing, got a condo, Biscayne, still
You're going where?
from a thing.
To your house to eat food?
How you feel? How you feel? How you feel? 25 sitting on 25 mil.
Right to the end, not to the beginning.
I'm feeling myself. Rest in peace, Mac Dre. I'm
That's back.
okay.
You have nothing in your back. No.
My back, oh, pass it like a relay. YMCMB, you niggas more YMCA. Me, Franny, and Molly Mall at the cribbo. Shot goes out to Nico J and Chill, shot the Kibbo. We got set a margarita by the leader. She know even if I'm fucking with her, I don't really need her. Oh, that's how you feel, man. That's really how you feel. Cause the pimpin' nice cold. All this bitches chill. I mean, maybe she won't.
So my Strava is down. but my piece was 7.
Did you turn on the Strava?
So you guys 4 minutes late.
Just finished 5K. What are you gonna show?
Masterclass.
Masterclass?
Jab, 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 jab. Okay, shoot. I'm serious. Okay, one more. Jab, jab. Yeah, do compri, back along. Yes, forget about it. Sorry. Don't you stay. Jab, jab. Jab, jab. Jab. Set the jab. Tut the jab. Tut the jab, back away. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Here, faster. Speed up. 1, 1, 2, 3. Like this? This is like a chili, like a Hawaii, you know? You scared? No, too scared. Warm up a little bit. No, I'll give you some trick. Don't think about water until you get into it.
He's not thinking about what he's thinking about sharks.
Don't think.
Let's go.
Think we're just looking at the water until you jump in.
I'm thinking about the sharks.
You have to turn on
scared.
some stuff.
There's sharks in there.
Hold on. Hit yourself. Punch. I mean, yeah. Because something's gonna turn on. I don't know in English. This is your first time, guys. That's why you have to warm up.
Legs and I try to let me It's cold. I told him
Okay, guys, ready? Okay. Warm up yourself, okay? Or you're gonna get sick because it's your first time.
Let's go. It was way colder than this. You could have stayed like
Minus 20. This is plus 20. Of course, yeah. This is plus 20.
Okay, let's go. Hey, stop.
Ready?
Let's go.
I can jump. More.
Let me.
1, 2, 3.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Run. Ah! Scream. Ah! It's cold. Yo, shark!
I can't feel my ass.
Come with me. You didn't go? I did, but I want to go one more time. Let's go. One more time? Yes, let's go.
You don't want to try it?
No, let's go, Makai. You go.
Don't stay long, okay? Because you guys already did.
If you see
Don't stay long. Just get in and get out.
Shark. If you see a shark, feed yourself first.
If you see the shark, hit in the mouse.
Yeah.
There won't be sharks, don't worry. No, approche! I remember 2 weeks ago, it was minus 20. Now it's plus 20. But water is still cold.
Guys, it was good, right? Express your feelings.
A lot. I'm definitely gonna come back next Sunday.
Your turn. Express your.
The whole shit was crazy.
Let's go dance.
Going to the sauna.
To warm up. Stretch.
Let's go. We don't have time. Hey, this is not relaxing. This is training. Let's go.
2-3 years, 2-3 years, told family.
2-3 years.
Let's do cold shower. Oh, cold shower. Stop. No, do cold shower. Go in. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The day was going fast. We did this one steam room. We went to the steam room with my friend. He already go home. Now we're going food. Now we're going to eat. And then after that, probably the day is over. What do you guys think we should do next time? It's your choice to pick what we should do. Put something crazy in the comments. Whatever comment gains the most likes, we will do. We will do whatever it says. So it's your choice to pick. If you guys like the video, subscribe, press that like button, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let a nigga know. I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul.